Guys, so believe it or not, Peugeot actually has games in the car that you can play when you're bored. Let's flip the camera, let me show you. So we have tapped on this second button, right to left, and then you click on connected apps. This may take a while to load at first initially, and then you're gonna have a few options here. You have your alerts, your plugin reminder, your connected services settings, and games. And in game section, let's click on it. If it's working, well, it tells you here how to access the games, first things first, and how to get access to them, and then go to games. You'll have to scan this QR code, and that should give you access to games. Important aspect, as far as I have seen, you have to have your phone connected via Bluetooth to the car, otherwise the games are not going to work. Now, I'm not sure if it's something that I may have messed up, or I haven't fully understood, but for me, every time I tried to access the games without having the phone connected and my app being logged in and everything, it just didn't work. I'm not sure exactly why. Right, so we tap on games. We have tic-tac-toe, hangman, and 2048, which is such an amazing game. I don't know if it's working though, because the last time when I was trying to load the game up, it wasn't really working, but looks like now it's working. Let's see, do I still know how to play this game? I don't know, man. I'm not that bad, am I? Let's do like, oh man, I should have done it the other way around. Okay, I can still work it out. I got these guys, I got these lads. Let's put the 2 here, another 2 here. We're gonna have an 8, another 8, 8, 16. Oh man, I'm killing this game, man. Anyway, I think you guys got the point. And if you access the games, it's like, fun mini game, to be honest with you. I'm not sure if the games were here when I got the car. I never tried. But it's interesting that the games are here. And if somebody has any type of insights about these games and everything, you know what, it will be cool to have different games as well, like more games and more like, interesting ones. But hey, I think this is something that you can definitely find use of when you are very, very bored, waiting to charge, or just having a couple of moments when you're enjoying your coffee and just chilling for a little bit. It might be distressing your mind. Anyway, if you guys want to see any more tips, tricks, suggestions, and whatever for the Peugeot 508 and any other car, actually, just don't forget to like and subscribe, man. It's helping a lot. We'll really appreciate that. Have a good one, everybody.